Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 11th, 2023. No, it's the weekend edition. Saturday, Sunday, December the 9th or 10th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku, yeah, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. Let me think which number it is. 7604. Yeah, 7604. Oh, well. 7604. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yes, of course, because it's indicated with 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really 1 star. So let's get started. All right. First question to you. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always one. Well, we have a single box. It's already filled in. The one. Next question. Do we have a dual box? It contains the 1 and the 2. Here we have a 1 and a 2. The dual box. Well, this box can be a 2. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Here also 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 1. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Okay. Triple boxes then. Do we have here triple boxes? Oh, overlook this single box. Single box always a 1. So we have 2 single boxes here. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. No quadra boxes here. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, upside down, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Do we have more T-shapes? No. Well, not true. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, it's mirrored, this one. Then this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. Well, not true. Upside down, this L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Is connected with also that box. Should be also a 4. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. I forgot this one. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Yeah. We have here 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well. Okay. These 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. If I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be so 2, but we already have a 2 there, so not a solution. Place the 2 there. The 2 supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then this box can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 1, and this one is also connected with that one, should be also a 1. Then, let me see. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then, let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is connected with that box. 1 and 3. Here also 1 and 3 as a pair. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We see another 5 here. So no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. That means that this box cannot be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 5. Then this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2 or a 3. Well, these two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So here can be 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so it's 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes in there. 2 or 3, we have a 2 now. So this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be also 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3, and now we have the 1 and the 5 left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, so have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.